cinema quality entertainment that goes wherever you do. The Samsung Galaxy S. That's the wonder of Samsung.
3 hours till phone nirvana.
Yeah. I am so amped, I could stand here for 3 weeks.
9 hours down, and we're almost in the door.
Only 7 people stand between us and...
Meaning?
Yeah, I mean, this is an event. We're gonna remember this for the rest of our lives.
I think 2 people just left.
Why would they be leaving when we're only 9 hours away?
Uh-oh. Blogs are saying the battery looks sketchy.
If it looks the same, how will people know I upgraded?
4G? Is it 4G? It doesn't say.
Whoa.
What you got there?
Not sure.
What is that? Guys.
Whoa. Hey, bro, can we see your phone?
Sure.
Can I see with my hands? Have you seen this thing? Ooh.
She totally caught me checking out her phone.
Check out the screen, this thing is huge.
It's pretty massive. And it's got 4G speed.
It's magnificent.
Samsung.
Samsung? That's a Samsung. Yeah.
Is this what adultery feels like?
Samsung.
Pretty big display.
It's the next thing, man.
Whatevs.
I could never get a Samsung. I'm creative.
Dude, you're a barista.
Why don't you guys just get 4G phones? Why don't you just get a 4G phone?
Speaking of which, soy no wave mocha, please.
Pretty thin, huh?
Yeah, it's a Galaxy S2. This phone is amazing.
The Galaxy S2 from Samsung.
That's old school. Classic.
Yeah, this is kind of retro thing, which I like.
Samsung Galaxy S3, designed for humans.
Envíame fotos, muchas fotos.
Hola mamá, ¿qué tal? Te echo un poquito de menos.
Samsung Galaxy S5.
Next is now the all-new Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6
What? I can pour this champagne on my phone and it still work. What? Yeah, look. Kenny, I'm about to put you in a fish tank. What? That's crazy. Your phone can't do that, Max. Here, I have another.
The new water-resistant Galaxy S7 Edge.
Lil Wayne drinking some tea. Lil Wayne fighting some robots in outer space. Lil Wayne sitting on the couch. I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm shooting a commercial. Lil Wayne dealing with annoying friends all the time. Lil Wayne in the canoe with Wesley Snipes. Oh, hey, Wesley Snipes. I was just in the canoe with you.
Cool.
Lil Wayne talking to Wesley Snipes. Lil Wayne surfing in Thailand with Wesley Snipes.
Very cool.
The new virtual reality-powered Galaxy S7 Edge.
Oh, this is amazing, right, Lil Wayne?
Shh. I can't talk right now, Wesley Snipes. I'm delivering this baby elephant.
The new virtual reality-powered Galaxy S7 Edge.
Do you sell high-end champagne?
In the back.
Have a good night.
The new water-resistant Galaxy S7 Edge.
One, two. Oh, cool. Come on. That's it. Oh.
I go, that's all I know.